Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to batch edit on EPIK photo editor. So in EPIK, there's a batch edit feature here where you can add more than one photos at once, and once you apply adjustment or filter or other editing, it will apply to all of the pictures that you add. So here I'm going to just start it. So click on the batch edit and select 1 to 9 photos that you want to edit. Okay, so here I'm going to add these photos right here, and then click on next. Okay, so after that, this is the first photo, and you can just add a filter. For example, I want to add this chill picture filters, and then you can also adjust. Okay, I'm going to adjust it like so, and when you're done, it will also be added to the rest of the picture. You can see now the photos has some filters and also adjustment that I made, and you can also just click on this to download all of the photos that you edit at once. Okay guys, so that is how you can use a batch edit on EPIK photo editor. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. See you at the next tutorial. Bye.